Hello, Christina, and everyone over there at Vessel Services. My name is Charles, and I just saw your post on Alignable, your referral request for a website company. So I just figured, the best thing to do, you're gonna get a lot of good responses, which I'm sure I haven't read them all, but I can see some people are offering the services in the company. I also just wanted to shoot this quick video to respond to you the best way I know how and give you a few recommendations which you can do, take by yourself and implement yourself, or you can use one of the companies here. I also noticed that your website was built by, at the very bottom here, it says by Wit Digital. So, and they seem um, like a standard website SEO company. Anyway, I just wanted to give you a few hints, a few tips of what you can do to help your site. And why am I doing this? I'm doing this because I know business owners sometimes it's a huge learning curve to learn this kind of stuff. And also, you're pretty busy and you don't have enough time. So I just wanted to give you these few tips. Like I said, you feel free to take and implement them yourself. I will only just ask that you give me a little bit of feedback. Just what you think about the video, and yeah, if you'd like to work together, I'd be more than happy to help you get more visibility and drive people to you. So I'll just take a look at your website. The recommendations I want to give you, the three of them are content, citations, and backlinks. All right, so content. And just to backtrack a little bit, I'm doing this because you and I know these days about 90% of people use Google to search for local services. 70% of them do not leave the front page. And I want to show you some numbers that will show you the kind of traffic and opportunities that are available to you. So, content, citations, and backlinks. Starting with content. Content is everything on your pages. Everything I've highlighted here in blue. All the pictures, the words, the text behind the pictures, because believe it or not, like let's take your logo. If I try and save the image, I can tell that it's just saved as Vessel logo. So I would really highly recommend to save it as keywords, and I'm going to get into a lot into keywords. Keywords are those phrases that people type into Google to search for your services. For example, if I was searching for like a plumber in Racine, I'll type that in, plumber Racine. Now this is a buyer intent keyword because whoever's looking for plumber Racine is looking for a plumber and most probably want to use the services. And like I said, if you're not on this front page, you're missing out on about 70% of searches. Now I have a tool called Ahrefs. It's a pretty popular tool. It's used to analyze websites and keywords and do all sorts of search engine optimization things. And I took the liberty of let's look up this one keyword, plumber Racine. Okay, yeah, plumber Racine. You can see there are about 800 people a month searching for that keyword. Now, this keyword difficulty just talks about how hard it is to get to the front page compared to your competitors. A difficulty of 7 would mean probably something between 3 to 6 months. I also looked at plumber Kenosha, which has about 700 people searching for that per month. Which other keywords did I look for? I looked at siding, Kenosha, Wisconsin, and you can see these are just related terms. 50 people looking for siding Kenosha with a comma, then Wisconsin, and then siding Kenosha, Wisconsin, 50 people. So there's quite a bit of traffic looking for what you guys do. Also, I could tell that you're not that far from Waukesha, I guess. I guess you work all around this area. It's about an hour away. But I looked at that because I wanted to see if your services are being looked for, like bathroom remodeling, Waukesha, Wisconsin. About 60 people per month look for that every month. Easy keyword difficulty between 1 to 2.5, 3 months. You can be on the front page for that keyword search. Here, roof replacement. About 30 people look for that per month. Let's look at matching terms. This is quite a powerful tool because, for example, Let's go to that high volume keyword, plumber Kenosha. You can even tell who out of your competition is grabbing the traffic. And you see, Christ the plumber gets about 262 people every month going to their website because they're optimized for that search, just because of that one search. So that's keywords. So let me just get back to content and finish off. So Google optimizes for about 1,000 to 1,500 words of content, of authoritative content, authoritative text on your front page that's littered with these keywords I was talking about. By authoritative, I mean text that says exactly who you are, all the services you provide, the locations you service as well. And I just noticed that that's something on your site. I did not see any location information, but I know you are in and around the Wisconsin area, around Caledonia, Wisconsin. So to be able to rank better for those location searches, local searches, meaning like plumber in Racine, I'd highly suggest that you have some location pages actually that show what services you do in those locations, or just a location page about a town, and just showing that yes, you do all your services, but this is what you've done for the town, etc. All right, so that's content. Second thing I want to talk about is citations. So when it comes, let's go back to the Google search. Once you type in a keyword, you usually see Google ads here. Google ads are always hit or miss because a lot of the times people have ad blockers. And also, these days people are averse to clicking on ads like me. I don't like to click on ads that much. And they can get expensive depending on your niche and your location. That's not to say that they don't work, because you can get a lot of leads from Google ads. They are on the front page. However, it depends on your budget. Next, after the Google ads, you'll see the map pack, where you'll see 3 businesses and a map of the local area. Sometimes you'll have some Google ads here. Now, how do you rank high to be one of these 3? Because if you click on more businesses, you'll see the rest of the businesses in the map pack and maybe some ads. So how do you rank higher here? It has to do with citations. Citations are anywhere in online directories where your name, address, and phone number are stored are cited in online directories. And the more you have and the more niche relevance you have, the better. So I mean, by directories I mean like Yelp, Better Business Bureau, Dexnos, Superpages.com, Yellowpages.com, etc. You can actually, the tools out there that you can look at your competition and find out what citations they have, and then go into those directories, make sure you appear there. But not only that, you want to beat them by 100 or 200 so that you'll stay at the top of this map pack. Third thing I want to talk about, backlinks. Now, that has to do with the organic listing section that's below the map packs. Backlinks help a lot in ranking here. Now, what is a backlink? A backlink is, if you think of the internet as a collection of web pages, a backlink is when one website links to your website, directing traffic to you. The higher quality, not all backlinks are the same. Higher quality, the better, obviously. And by that, for example, if a McDonald's is linking to you guys, I'm pretty sure, they have different niches, and Google can tell and will realize that's not a relevant backlink to you. Therefore, drop your relevancy when it comes to certain searches. If there's a plumbing conference or a roofing conference and they have a forum there and you're in a blog with your website linking to them, that Google can tell that's a relevant backlink and will increase your relevancy in such searches. Now let's go back to the Google search, because I want to, not to the Google search, my tool Ahrefs. It's a popular tool out there. Let's look at your competitors here, Carlson Plumbing, and analyze their backlinks. Now it's up to your SEO, whoever you get to do this, your website person, to come in and actually analyze the backlinks that your competitors have. So you can actually come in here, look at their keywords that they're ranking for, look at their backlinks, and make sure that you're appearing in all of these backlinks. You'll see some of them are Better Business Bureau, USA Planning, some of them are directories. But then some of them could also be like journaltimes.com, which is, I guess, a newspaper or so. But look at your competitors' backlinks. Not all backlinks are the same, so you may not have to equal them, but in number, but in relevancy and I guess strength, Google strength. So you want to make sure you have the same amount of good, strong backlinks like your competitors, but not only that. If you want to beat them and rank, make it hard for them to beat you. I would actually try to double or triple the amount of backlinks, because these guys here, Cross Plumbing, who are getting 200 people because of one keyword alone, they don't have that many backlinks. So what that tells me is that their backlinks are high quality, and Google's picking them up for that. Now, let's take a look at your site. I put it in here, Vessel Services Today. You can see that you have a lot more backlinks than your competitor, actually, but you're not ranking for that one keyword. You're not ranking for plumber's racine. Let's see another high volume keyword. Which one is this? Plumber Kenosha. You can see by domain, you're not ranking for that keyword either. So it's up to whoever's doing your SEO or whoever's doing this research to analyze your competitors, analyze where the searches are coming from for your services, and then work on your backlinks, work on your citations, work on your content. Remember, about 1,000 to 1,500 words of authoritative text on your front page, and your back pages also should have, keyword-rich text as well. And I would say I think the number's anywhere between 250 to 750 words. That's good for a back page. The more writing you have, especially for the different services, if you just have, roofing repair, exactly, the better you will do and the higher you'll rank. I can tell whoever's done your website also has tried to include a lot of keywords, but for some reason you're not ranking for them. I'd have to just go in and, only on your H1 tags. But in any case, work on those 3 things. I'm sure you'll start to see more and more traffic coming your way. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching it all the way till here. I appreciate it. I wanted to keep it below 10 minutes, but sometimes I get really into this. Again, my name is Charles. I'm just going to ask you for some feedback. Please feel free to give this video off to whoever needs to help you. And I hope you will start to grow your business. Thank you.